Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob,